Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the new video for the AWS Solution Architect Associate level exam that we're working on. In this video, we will see what routing policies are available on Amazon Route 53. We have simple routing policy. This is used for a single resource that performs a given function for your domain. For example, a web server that serves content for example.com website. And the failover routing policy, it is used when you want to configure active passive failover. So one, you want to keep it active, and other you want to keep it passive. When there would be a failover, the passive would become active, and the active one would become passive. Geolocation routing policy, it is used when you want to route traffic based on the location of your users. Geoproximity routing policy, it is used when you want to route traffic based on the location of your resources and optionally shift traffic from resources in one location to resource in another. Latency routing policy, used when you have resources in multiple AWS regions and you want to route traffic to the region that provides the best latency. Multi-value answers routing policy, it is used when you want Route 53 to respond to DNS queries with up to 8 healthy records selected at random. Weighted routing policy, it is used when you want to route traffic to multiple resources in proportions that you specify. So this is the theory part, very short and crisp lecture in this whole series. I think it is the shortest one of all. So this was just the theory part. In the next coming videos, we will do the lab for each and every of these policies that we have discussed. So I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.